Hi, my name is Victor Fabian Osagai from Mimshach Properties and Consultancy. Thank you to all our existing subscribers for subscribing to this channel, and thank you to our new subscribers. In case you're seeing this for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Remember, if it's worth it, you will see it here. If the property is worth it, you will see it here. Now, this is a two-bedroom apartment located in Ikate, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now it is at over 80 something percent finished, but it's going to be delivered completely finished, fitted, of course, with sanitary walls, fitted kitchens, obviously painted. It's going to be delivered completely finished to you. Now, this is located, like I said, in Ikate, and it has a CFO, it has a building approval, and it's also ready for verification. This is suitable for shortlets, it's suitable for residential as well. Now, in case you want to even use it for mixed use, maybe you're not around and you want to be using it for shortlets, you can use it first. So this is the kitchen. Yeah, that's the kitchen area. Most of the shortlets these days they do an open plan, and I know some people do not like open plan. So I'm particularly happy that it has its own separate kitchen, you know, to itself, and it's quite spacious. You can see also the space around here. This is selling for 220 million naira as a asking price. It is very negotiable. So if you have an offer, kindly call the number showing on your screen or send a message to me on WhatsApp, and I'll be here quickly to start your transaction and proceedings as well. The rooms are very spacious and they are all in suites. Another thing to look out for is the balconies. The balconies are so big and spacious enough. Maybe you want to do some things there. It is so big and spacious. This property also has a lift. Is going to have like a standby transformer for the property alone. Um, so that means there's a guaranteed 24 hours power supply. It's also going to have its own, obviously, security, and everything that's makes a particular building or a property urban and modern in this day and time. It is going to be. It's going to have it now. The completion date for this particular property is 1st of July. First week of July, I beg your pardon. First week of July is the completion date of this. So if you truly are interested in something like this, kindly reach me on the numbers on your screen, and or send me a message on WhatsApp, or you can also call me on WhatsApp. It has a CFO, it has a building approval, 24 hours power supply, 24 hours security. The list is endless, guys. So this is the balcony I was talking about. So huge and big. The video does not do it justice. Now this is the lift, so you can see for yourself. It has a lift, has an elevator, has an elevator. So it's going to be fully powered. Reach out to me quickly if you'll be looking out for something like this, and do not forget also to help us share this video to people that you think might be also be interested in investing in real estate. So this is the parking area. Like I said, you can see how big it is. All right, so that is where the transformer is going to be. It's where the